Okay, go Ate Cos. Big, lagi ni siya na dog. Hi, Great Dane. Okay, again.
Stardust. Okay, okay. Hi, Stardust. Oh, you feed, hold this one. You feed Stardust. Stardust.
You smile when you feed the horse. Eating nga niya, Chan.
There's still more Stardust.
How about King Ford?
There's still more Stardust.
Ah, okay. Yan ang... That was for the last horse.
King Ford. I know, just a little. You want to eat? Let go. Let go.
Okay.
Let's give it all to King Ford.